Welcome back, everyone. I'm showing you currently on the crude oil a great selling opportunity. This is the Blueprint software. Now, the Blueprint software is something relatively new. We've taught the Blueprint method in the mentorship program, but now I'm offering it separately as a standalone system. The Blueprint is giving us a short on the crude oil April contract 105.49 to go short. Now, the Blueprint method is based on price action. The first thing we have to have is some type of trend, and that's calculated. What type of trend that is based on price action. We need enough candles and enough distance to make a trend. Second of all, we need to have the market stall, stop, and show us that it's hitting some type of support and resistance, and that's what you're seeing indicated by these shaded areas. Whether it be on a 1-minute chart or if I put on a 5-minute chart, the calculations are now updated. As you can see, it's the same exact thing. Let me just remove some of the text here. I was showing some traders this morning. We have on a 5-minute chart a area where the market is trending, as it was earlier in the morning as well, and then providing a signal to go long, and then here now is an order to go short on the 5-minute chart. The same thing is true. Let's say that you are an hourly trader. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Here is a great opportunity early this morning to go long on the crude oil. Now, I don't expect anyone to hold on to this type of a move. This doesn't happen quite that often, but as long as you get in right and you have a nice stop, an understanding of where the stop happens to be. And by the way, I like the stop to be if the market comes back into this area and closes, or closes on the opposite side of this shaded area created by the software. That is a great example of getting out of the market. It's telling you that it's not continuing in the direction that you want. So this is a 60-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart, all using the Blueprint software. And by the way, here's another shorting signal on the crude oil. So we have two signals here to go short on the crude oil. Blueprint short. The Blueprint software is available at Daytradetowin.com. In the past, it was only mentorship. Now it's available separately. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, support@Daytradetowin.com, and I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit Daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.